Alam mo ba na pag amoy bulok na itlog ang tubig sa gripo, may something na yan? Lalo na kung may kasamang lumulutang-lutang na buhangin o putik, hindi na normal yan. Chances are may hydrogen sulfide sa water source mo. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas that forms naturally sa ilang mga deep wells. In small amounts, usually harmless. Pero kapag too much, it's no longer safe. It can cause skin and nose irritation, headaches, and over time, damage appliances and corroded plumbing. A sediment filter is made to catch visible dirt, gaya ng buhangin, putik o kalawang. Pero kung ang tubig mo ay masama ang amoy, you need something more specialized for that. Ang kailangan mo, systems with oxidation, carbon filtration, or reverse osmosis to remove gases and neutralize the smell. Kung matagal mo nang naamoy yan sa tubig mo, maybe it's time to ask, safe pa ba tong tubig namin? Minsan, hindi mo kailangan palitan ang water source. Kailangan lang ng tamang filtration system.